Dr. Michael Greger shared the most powerful and delicious recipe that I think makes popcorn into an unexpected superfood. I go through phases where I eat air-popped popcorn every day, and this recipe takes its health benefits to a whole new level. So before we hear the exact recipe from Dr. Greger, I want to run through some remarkable benefits of eating air-popped popcorn. This fascinating study found that popcorn contains surprisingly high levels of antioxidant compounds called polyphenols. Their researchers even reported that popcorn contains more concentrated polyphenols than many fruits and vegetables. How can this be? Well, the trick is concentration. For example, most fruits are roughly 90% water, and popcorn contains very little water, so the antioxidants are packed into a much smaller volume. Now, fruits and vegetables of course contain vitamins, minerals, and thousands of beneficial compounds that popcorn doesn't. But it's just fascinating that popcorn contributes far more antioxidants than most people realise. Popcorn is also a whole grain. When you eat air-popped popcorn, you're eating the entire grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. And why does this matter? Well, large studies involving hundreds of thousands of people consistently find that higher whole grain intake is associated with lower risks of heart disease, certain cancers, and premature death. In this meta-analysis, higher whole grain consumption was linked with substantial reductions in cardiovascular disease and all-cause mortality. And most people don't think of popcorn as a fibre food, but air-popped popcorn delivers meaningful amounts of dietary fibre. And fibre helps support digestive health, improves satiety, and is consistently associated with better long-term health outcomes. And 3 cups of air-popped popcorn is about 3.5 grams of fibre. And in comparison, 1 cup of cooked brown rice is also 3.5 grams of fibre. So a large bowl of air-popped popcorn can provide about the same fibre as a cup of brown rice, but for far fewer calories. Now, of course, we're not talking about movie theatre popcorn that's heavily buttered and sugar-coated. But now let's hear from Dr. Michael Greger of nutritionfacts.org as he shares the powerful recipe.
So air pop your popcorn. There's all sorts of really healthy things you can add to it. So what you should do, you say, wait a second, I like that salty taste in my popcorn. Fine, add potassium salt. Add potassium chloride, 100% potassium chloride. It has nice salty taste. You make it as salty as you want. And if you're like, yeah, but I like that kind of, that umami, savory flavor, fine, add some nutritional yeast, which is basically another whole food. It's like a one-celled yeast. You get your mycoprotein in the form of nutritional yeast. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, to make all those powders stick because you have oil-free air pop popcorn. You can drizzle some like hickory smoked balsamic on it, make it nice and sticky to make everything stick. We'll put on some Tabasco, which is a low-sodium soy sauce. I'm making myself hungry.
Recently, scientists found the #1 healthiest grain, and their findings may surprise you. To find out more, you can click the middle of the screen now.